Wherever you are and however you feel, we hope this video brings a smile to your face. Let's get started. Where did all the guys go? Why is she loading that bike by herself? He learned the hard way not to tease them, but he's fine. That could have gone much worse, but she's all right. Her jump came up short, sending her right into the water, but she's all right. She lost control, but thankfully she's okay.
724.
That watermelon simply gave up under pressure. Looks like nobody's drinking that anymore. We can all breathe easier now that she's okay. Has your dog ever been put in timeout like this?
Let me see a kickflip.
He walked away okay, so let this be a reminder to practice somewhere safe.
Hey, watch me.
Yeah, nigga. God damn. Come on, man.
Thankfully, the soft sand helped cushion his fall.
Here goes Kyrie.
That attempt turned into an unexpected basketball fail. That looked frightening, but luckily, everything turned out fine. That band chose the worst possible moment to give up. She fell backward, but luckily she wasn't hurt. The trapped water pressure suddenly burst free. The ball hit him, but thankfully he's okay. That tape caught her off guard, but she's completely okay. I went for the jump and came up short, but luckily he wasn't hurt. She just lost her momentum and fell into the water, but she's okay. The table folding process has him completely confused. She slipped on the ball and fell, but she's okay.
Oh!
It was only a quick scare, and no one was hurt. That could have gone badly, but both of them are fine. She clearly underestimated how difficult that lift would be. That definitely looks like an unexpected slip.
Just blow that.
It's better not to do this, even though she wasn't injured. Yeah, that's definitely a friendship-ending move. When doing water activities like this, wear a life jacket and make sure you know how to swim.
I don't want to try that one anymore. I think my shoulder just disconnected from the rest of my body. I wasn't even supposed to be here today. I've hurt myself.
This is a supervised play area, and the floor is fully padded. He's fine, but this is a good reminder to keep your distance. It looks like she lost her balance on the float. It's just a fun pool game, and she's okay. Well, this turned into one chaotic Christmas night. The wave definitely won that round. It was just a muddy mishap, and both guys are okay. Are there any soccer fans here? She took a splash, but she's doing just fine. Thanks to his quick reflexes, he managed to avoid danger.
Oh, shit!
Luckily, both guys are completely okay. She lost her balance for a moment, but she's fine. Well, someone's wallet is about to feel that. It looks like he lost his balance on the float. Please tell me I wasn't the only one who jumped.
Linda! Linda! Oh, what the fuck?
That little car finally met its match. Thankfully, he's completely okay after that fall.
Oh my god.
Wet roads can catch you off guard, so please be careful.
Voy a la playa, había subido la marea.
That's all for today. Stay positive, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.
One.